MVP Planning, Scope, Tech Stack, and Timeline. 02 Ship Claude Basics, Lesson 7, Video 1.
You've made it! After 6 lessons of learning prompts, debugging, building pages, working with databases, and doing research with Claude, you are here. Lesson 7, the capstone. This is where everything you've learned comes together. And by the end of these 3 videos, you will have planned, built, and shipped your very own MVP to the world. A real product on the real internet with real users. Let's start with the plan.
Let's start with the most misunderstood term in the tech world, MVP, minimum viable product. I need you to hear both of those words. Minimum means you're building the smallest possible version. Viable means it still has to work and deliver value. MVP does not mean broken. It does not mean embarrassing. It means focused. Focused on one core value that your users actually need.
Think about the first version of any product you love. Instagram started as a photo sharing app with filters. No stories, no reels, no shopping. Twitter was just short text posts. They shipped the smallest version that was still useful, got feedback, and grew from there. That's exactly what you're going to do. Here's the test I use for every MVP. Can you describe it in one sentence? Not a paragraph, not a pitch deck. One sentence. If you can't, it's too complex. You need to cut features until you can. 0 to ship in one sentence. A website where beginners watch video courses about building with AI. That's it. Not a platform with accounts, progress tracking, certificates, and social features. Those come later. Now let's talk about your tech stack, and I'm going to say something that might surprise you. Your tech stack choice matters way less than actually shipping. I've seen beginners spend weeks researching the perfect tech stack and never build anything. Don't be that person. Pick something reasonable and go. My recommendation for beginners: Next.js deployed on Vercel. It's what O2 Ship is built with, so you've seen it in action. Vercel makes deployment incredibly simple, and Next.js handles a lot of complexity for you. But if someone you trust recommends something different, that's fine too. The technology that gets shipped beats the technology that stays on your hard drive. Let's talk timeline. How long should your first MVP take? 3 to 7 days. Not 3 months, not 6 months. Days. If you're spending more than a week, you're building too much. Remember, you have Claude. The bottleneck isn't coding speed, it's decision-making speed. Decide what to build, open Claude, and start. Here's the mindset shift. Your first MVP will be nothing like your final product. And that's not just okay. It's the whole point. You ship something small, get feedback from real people, and improve based on what they actually need, not what you imagine they might need. All right, let's get practical. I have a planning template with 4 sections: problem, solution, 3 features maximum, and success criteria. First, what problem are you solving? Write it from your user's perspective. For O2 Ship, non-programmers have great ideas but can't build them because existing resources are too technical. Second, your solution. 1 sentence. A step-by-step video course that teaches non-programmers to build and ship using Claude. Third, list your features, maximum 3. For 0 to ship, a course page with video lessons, a landing page, and a blog. No user accounts, no progress tracking. 3 features. Ship it. Finally, success criteria. How do you know your MVP worked? For O2 Ship, 5 people complete at least 1 lesson and tell me it was helpful. Simple, measurable, and focused on real users. Here's the complete planning template for O2 Ship. Problem: non-programmers can't build their ideas. Solution: step-by-step video course. Features: course pages, landing page, blog. Success criteria: 5 helpful completions. Tech stack: Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind, Vercel. Timeline: 1 week. And yet this plan became the platform you're learning on right now. Look at how simple that is. You don't need 100 features to create something valuable. You need 3 good ones, shipped to real people. Let's recap.
An MVP is not broken, it's focused. Use the one-sentence test. Pick a tech stack and go. Give yourself 3 to 7 days. And use the planning template. Problem, solution, 3 features, success criteria.
Key takeaways. MVP means focused, not broken. The one-sentence test keeps your scope in check. Tech stack choice matters less than shipping. 3 to 7 days, not months. 3 features maximum, and O2 Ship is the living proof. Now here's your assignment. Fill out the planning template for your own MVP. Use a real idea you have, or practice with the O2 Ship example. Save it in your projects folder. In the next video, we're opening Claude and turning that plan into actual working code. The building starts now. See you in video 2.